Let's look at how to use the assignment library. First, click the green plus button and click Browse Assignment Library. The assignment library is a collection of assignments made by real Classkick teachers that we've collected and made available to you. You can narrow down the assignments by subject, by grade, or you can type in a search word. You can preview any of the assignments by clicking them, previewing them, and when you're ready, you can copy the assignment to your teacher dashboard. You can see that it has appeared here. It's highlighted in green and it appeared at the top of my list. Now that you've made a copy of this assignment in your teacher dashboard, you can edit this however you like. You can delete pages, you can rearrange pages, or you can edit any of the content on any of the pages because they belong to you now.